Listen to this. Sounds pro, right? But what if I told you that in just a few minutes you'll be able to do this without needing years of practice? Welcome to 3 left-hand secrets that instantly make you sound pro. This is a game changer for beginners. And by the end of this lesson, your left hand will completely transform the way you play piano. Stick with me. Try each secret as we go and you'll be shocked at how good you sound. All right, let's jump into secret number 1, the power octave. This is how pro players instantly add depth and weight to their sound. And guess what? It's ridiculously easy. Find your C on your keyboard. Any C will work, but a lower one sounds best. Now, play it with your pinky. Great! Now here's the trick. Reach up with your thumb and play the same note 1 octave higher. Let's try this. Pinky, thumb. Pinky, thumb. That's a power octave. Simple, but let's make it sound huge. Now press and hold the pedal while you play this. Sounds way fuller, right? Now you try. Play it 8 times with me together. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Boom! You just unlocked a huge cinematic sound. And that was just the first secret. Ready for the next one? Let's go. Now, let's take your left hand from sounding big to sounding professional. Secret number 2 is the rolling bass trick. Instead of playing 1 note at a time, we roll between 3 notes to create a flowing, rich sound. Here's how it works. Step 1, start with the same C octave, pinky and thumb, just like before. Step 2, add a middle note, a G, right in between. Now we have pinky, pointer, thumb. This rolling motion is what makes it feel alive. Try with me. Now let's add pinky, pointer, thumb. One more time. Pinky, pointer, thumb. And one more time. Pinky, pointer, thumb. Now let's add a tiny rhythm tweak that makes this trick even better. Instead of playing all notes evenly, let's add a little swing like this. Ta, ta, da. Instead of ta, ta, ta. Hear the difference? And now it's your turn. Try that rhythm with me. Let's go slow. Ta, ta, da. Ta, ta-da, ta, ta-da, ta, ta-da. Yes! Now you're not just playing notes, you're creating movement. And that's what makes you sound pro. And now it's time for the final secret. And this one is a total game changer. You've got the power octave, you've got the rolling bass. Now let's make it walk. Secret number 3 is the pro walk up. We're going to add a little motion between our left hand positions to make our playing flow naturally. This is what real pros do to connect their chords. And here's how. Step 1. Start with your C octave. And instead of jumping straight to another note, walk up to it by adding in between notes. So instead of just going from C to F, we do this. C, D, E, F. And that little step makes everything smoother and more expressive. Now, let's put it all together. We'll play power octave, rolling bass trick, and then the pro walk up, wow, right? Let's do this together now. Follow along with me, slow first, then faster. So, we start with C power octave. Now rolling bass trick, pinky, pointer, thumb. Now the pro walk up, D, E, F, and again, power octave, pinky, pointer, thumb, rolling bass trick, pinky, pointer, thumb, pro walk up. This time we go to F sharp and G. Again, power octave, pinky, thumb, rolling bass trick, pinky, pointer, thumb. And now we have a pro walk down. We go F, E, D, C. Wow, that's it. Let's try this 2 times together and then I will play this faster for you. And this sounds super, super cool. Again, C, power octave, pinky, thumb, rolling bass trick, pinky, pointer, thumb, pro walk up, D, E, F, start with the power octave, pinky, thumb, rolling bass trick, pinky, pointer, thumb, pro walk up, F sharp, G, power octave, pinky, thumb, rolling bass trick, pinky, pointer, thumb, and pro walk down F, E, D, C. Great! One more time. So, power octave, pinky, thumb, rolling bass trick, pinky, pointer, thumb, pro walk up, D, E, F, power octave, pinky, thumb, rolling bass trick, pinky, pointer, thumb, pro walk up, F sharp, G, power octave, G, G, rolling bass trick, pinky, pointer, thumb, and pro walk down F, E, D, C. And just like that, you sound like a pro. Let me do this a little faster for you. So, power octave, rolling bass trick, pro walk up, all right. And just like that, you sound like a pro. These 3 left-hand secrets instantly upgrade your playing, and they work on any song. Now, tell me in the comments which secret was your favorite. If you need some more help, join my free piano crash course for beginners. You get an ebook full with cheat sheets and chords. The link is down in the description. It's absolutely for free, and you even get a bonus course when you're a little more advanced. If this helps you out, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps tremendously. And I'll see you in the next lesson, because if you love these hand tricks, you're gonna love the next video right here, where I show you a mind-blowing right hand trick that makes your melodies sound insane. Click it now and I'll see you inside.